We're making huge progress, particularly around the establishment of our Moonshot goals around the renewable energy and water reduction targets. 2030, our R&D and manufacturing, which is our Tier 1 sites, will be 100% renewable. And then the longer term strategies, it's really just balancing our total usage and reduction in carbon. There's a number of projects that we've implemented around the site. Very simply, starting out in the car parks now, we have EV chargers. Lighting, for instance, we have had significant replacement of our old fluorescent lighting to LED lighting. And we've made massive gains on our heating and ventilation, energy reduction. In terms of the future, we have clear objectives and targets now. It's really about delivering on them. That's what Seagate is very strong at.